Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Nick. I am a drummer, bassist, producer, music lover, and chef. No, I'm not actually a trained chef, but I do like to cook a lot. So, this is going to be a little bit different from my normal videos. I'm going to be walking you guys through just a little brief, I didn't film that much for this honestly, but just a quick little walkthrough of a recipe that I made that I really liked. So, the recipe is cold wasabi noodles, or wasabi cold noodles, if you want to say it that way. Cold noodles with wasabi and meat. So I'll go ahead and take you through the ingredients and kind of the process real quick, and I'll see you on the other side.
Alright, so I'm using beef for this recipe, and here's the ingredients for the marinade. I've got soy sauce, mirin, oyster sauce, sugar, salt, pepper, and sesame seeds. And then I'm going to add in some grape soju, some cloves, and allspice. Those are kind of my secret ingredients. And of course, you have to try the soju to make sure it's still good. I'm also going to add in some sesame oil just for that kind of earthy taste. Here's a shot of the beef that I'm using. It's just sliced beef from the grocery store, nothing super special. And there's the sauce. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add the beef into the sauce, make sure it's nice and coated, get everything real nice and soaked up, and then I'm going to leave that to marinate overnight. And by the way, yes, I did wash my hands before I did that. Alright, so it's the next day, and now it's time to put everything together. I'm going to boil some water for my noodles, and then I'm going to prepare the sauce for the noodles, which is just the same soy sauce and mirin from yesterday, and wasabi powder. I've got some veggies here. I've got perilla leaf, jalapeno, celery, carrot, onion, and garlic that I'm going to chop up to add into the final mix. Here you can see that the noodles are at a rolling boil. Just going to give those a stir. They don't take very long to cook, maybe 5 minutes or so. So that's pretty quick. Now I've got all my veggies chopped up, ready to go, and I'm just going to start assembling everything. There's the meat that I've taken out of the refrigerator. It's been marinating since overnight. And now I'm just going to brown the meat really quick, make sure that's nice and cooked through. I've got my noodles here. They've been soaking in their sauce. They are nice and cold. I gave them an ice bath after I finished cooking them and strained them. So now here we go. I'm going to assemble everything just right into the bowls here. And the finished product is right here on my desk, ready for consumption. Not only is it a delicious dish, but it is quite beautiful as well, if I do say so myself. So that is pretty much it. All in all, apart from the marinating, this should only really take 15 to 20 minutes to do from start to finish, and it was delicious.
So yeah, overall this was a really fun dish to make, and I definitely want to make it again. With a few changes though. I personally would like to have more of the wasabi flavor in the dish. So I think I'll use maybe another teaspoon or so of the wasabi powder the next time that I make it, and maybe add in some mustard powder as well. I think that might go well in there. But overall, it was really good. Probably like an 8 out of 10, I would say. I'm definitely going to make it again, and I hope that you guys can try it too. So I might start doing more cooking videos like this. I know I'm on hiatus from reacting to things right now, but I still want to keep putting out content. So I've tried to film a couple of things that haven't really worked out. So I'm trying to keep myself to the one video per month at a minimum. So I figured, you know what, I might as well film something else that I like to do apart from just music. So yeah, there's that, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you try out the recipe, let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all the fun YouTube stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that might be. Alright, peace.